Did you ever hear the one about the carpet that made everyone sneeze? Yeah, it had a dust mite problem. Now we may laugh at this, but the reality is quite serious, especially for those among us who suffer from allergies and asthma. You see, carpets can be a haven for dust mites and allergens, turning our homes into sneeze-inducing minefields. And it's not just dust mites. We're talking about pet dander, mold spores, and even pollen that hitched a ride on your shoes. All these can happily settle in the cozy fibers of your carpet, causing you to sneeze, wheeze, and sniffle. Regular carpet cleaning or hard surface cleaning, therefore, isn't just about maintaining appearances. It's about creating a healthier living environment. A thorough clean can significantly reduce these pesky allergens, helping you breathe easier and sneeze less. So, unless you fancy a carpet that can make you sneeze, it's time to roll up your sleeves and get cleaning. Imagine your vacuum cleaner as a superhero, the nemesis of those villainous dust mites. Now that's a mental image that would make chores a tad more enjoyable, isn't it? But it's not just about pretending, it's about understanding the power your vacuum cleaner holds in the battle against allergens. This trusty device, with its cyclonic action and HEPA filters, is your very own carpet cleaner superhero. It swoops in, sucking up the dust mites, pet dander, and other allergens that have made your carpet their lair. But remember, even superheroes need the right strategy. Vacuuming once a week isn't enough. No, your carpet needs daily attention to keep those pesky villains at bay. Pay special attention to high-traffic areas and those hidden corners. And don't forget to change or clean your vacuum's filter regularly. A clogged filter is akin to kryptonite for your superhero vacuum cleaner. With your superhero vacuum cleaner, you're one step closer to an allergen-free home. Ever heard of a deep-sea dive? Well, we're going for a deep carpet dive. Imagine yourself donning a diving suit ready to plunge into the deep, mysterious depths of your carpet. But instead of fish and coral, you're battling against dust mites and allergens that have made a cozy home in your carpet fibers. Now the deep, clean dive isn't just any ordinary cleaning. Oh no, this is an intensive, thorough process that goes beyond the surface, reaching down to the very base of your carpet. It's like exploring the Mariana Trench of allergens. But fear not, brave diver. With the right equipment, a quality steam cleaner, and some good old-fashioned elbow grease, you can conquer this challenge. Remember, regular deep cleaning can drastically reduce the amount of allergens in your carpet, giving you a healthier, happier living environment. Congratulations! You've successfully dived into your carpet and emerged victorious against allergens. After battling dust mites and allergens, it's time to bask in the glory of your allergen-free carpet. Ah, isn't the air just a touch cleaner? A tad fresher? That's victory, my friend. But remember, a clean carpet or hard surface isn't just a one-time triumph. It's a continuous quest, an ongoing commitment. Your carpet and hard surfaces is a battlefield, and you, the valiant warrior, must keep it allergen-free. So how do you maintain this glorious state? Well, regular vacuuming is your trusty sword. A good vacuuming session once or twice a week keeps those pesky allergens at bay. And don't forget the deep clean dive every 6 months for carpets. It's like a rejuvenating spa day for your carpet. While you're at it, why not invest in a good quality air purifier? It's like having an invisible ally in your fight against allergens. Remember, a clean floors means less sneezing and more breathing. So go forth and conquer your floor cleaning tasks.